Hello students, now this question I have taken, question number 9 of exercise 13.3 and of chapter surface area and volume. So the question is, this is also a very important question for both point of view. Let me tell you, question number 8 of this exercise is also very important. You can see my previous video. You can go through and go through that question in my previous video. Both the questions are very important. So the question number 9 is, a farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in a diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank will filled? So first of all, to explain this question, let's make a diagram from a canal. See, if, a farmer connects a pipe internal diameter. So I am taking the pipe that is used to fill the tank, that is cylindrical tank. Yes, I am not making the canal here. Yes, so this is the pipe. Yes, and it is, the tank is cylindrical. Water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour. So 3 km per hour. It is flowing like that. A pipe of internal diameter, that is 20 centimeter. The diameter D is equal to 20 centimeter. Yes, so R will equal to 10 centimeter. Yes, R is equal to 10 centimeter. Now come to the dimension of the cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank in a field which is 10 meter in diameter. So the diameter is 10 meter. So R will be equal to 5 meter. Quite clear? Diameter cylindrical tank in a field which is 10 meter in a diameter and 2 meter deep. So this is 2 meter deep. So height of the tank is 2 meter. Now water is coming. Yes, and that is this pipe is used to fill this tank. So in a 1 hour the speed is 3 km. Yes, and the diameter of the pipe is 20 centimeter and radius we can say 10 centimeter. So in what time this tank will be filled by this pipe, by the water that is coming through this pipe? So first of all, this is the speed that I already told you in my previous question for the 1 hour. When it is given 3 km for 1 hour, so we can see this is the, we can take as a length, or that length for the pipe that we use as a height. Yes, so for the 1 hour the height is 3 km for this pipe. This pipe is also for cylindrical shape. Yes, so first of all we will find out the volume that will come in this pipe, that is the capacity of this pipe for 1 hour. First of all we will find out. See, for the pipe that is of the cylindrical shape, yes, and the formula is pi r square h. Yes, now the height that I am telling you for the 1 hour, that is 3 km. So we will take as a height, or we can say the length for the 1 hour. Yes, for the pipe volume, I am writing here volume of water. Yes, so first of all this is 3 km in 1 hour. Yes, so because this is given in the, for the cylinder the unit is given in the meter, so we are going to convert this into the meter. So it will become 3000 meter per hour. Yes, now let's find out the volume of the water. volume of water in pipe in 1 hour. Yes, that is equal to pi r. See, r is given 10 centimeter. Yes, so that will equal to 10 upon 100. We are converted into h, that is 3000. Yes, so I already told you we will take height, or we can say the length of the pipe as a height. For the 1 hour it will be equal to 3 kilometer, that we have already converted into the meter. Yes, so pi, that will equal to 0.1 square into 3000, that is equal to pi into 0.01 into 3000, that is equal to 30. The decimal will come here, 30 pi. Yes, so that is the volume of water in 1 hour in a pipe. So that in 1 hour the volume is 30 pi, so it will come to the cylinder. Yes, एक आवर में 30 पाई वॉल्यूम सिलेंडर में आ जाएगा. बट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट कितने टाइम में सिलेंडर फुल होगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ दैट सिलेंडर. दिस सिलेंडर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द सिलेंडर. सो अगेन आई एम writing the formula for this. Volume of cylindrical tank. Okay, that is the, again the formula will be remain same, that is pi, capital R I have taken pi, and R we can see here, that is 5 meter, and the height is 2 meter. Yes, so 5 square and the height is 2, so that is equal to pi into 25 into 2, that is equal to 50 pi. Yes, now see the two results that are important. See, in a 1 hour, because that, first of all I am explaining you again, this is the pipe. Yes, so we have to find out the volume for the pipe in a, how much water will be here in a pipe in 1 hour. Yes, in 1 hour it will come to, the volume has come 30 pi. I will explain you why I have not put the value of pi, because it is going to be easy in calculation. So in 30 pi is the volume in 1 hour, the water capacity of the pipe. Yes, now we have to find out how much time, in how much time this cylindrical tank will be filled through the pipe. Yes, so first of all, for this we need to find out what is the capacity of the cylindrical tank, capacity is the volume. So we have find out the volume of the cylindrical tank, that is fixed, that is 55 we have find out. So is this to fill this 50 pi volume, how much time it will take the pipe, the water will take to come from the pipe, that is 30 pi into 1 hour. So we are using the unitary method. So because in 1 hour this is 30 pi, so in t times, in t hour, that will fill 50 pi. Yes, I can explain you. First of all, unitary method, let me explain you. See, 30 pi in 1 hour. Yes, so 30 pi is the volume, na? So, meter cube. Yes, so 1 meter cube it will fill in 1 upon 30 hour. Yes, so 50 pi volume will be fixed, that is 50 upon 30. Yes, in hour. Yes, same we are doing here. Yes, how it comes, that I already explained you. This is the unitary method. Yes, now 30 pi, t will be equal to 50 pi upon 30 pi, that is cancelled out, and 0 is 0, so to cancel out 5 upon 3 hour. Yes, Now we need to convert this into the minutes. Suppose they want in the minutes and 5/3 hour. So see how we can convert. We will divide 5 by 3. Yes, that we have find out that the time is 5/3 hour. Quite clear? Yes, 3 1 ja 3 equal to 2. So we have find out that is 1 2/3 hour. Yes, so that is the 1 hour. Yes, now 1 2/3 hour we need to convert into the minute. Yes, now how we can convert this into a minute? 1 hour plus 2/3 hour. Yes, 1 hour plus 2/3 we just convert into the minutes. So we to convert any hour into the minutes we will multiply the by the 60. Yes, 3 2 ja 6. So we have got 1 hour that is equal to 60 minutes. Yes, plus 2 2 ja 4 40 minutes that is equal to 100 minutes. Yes, so in 100 minutes it will fill the cylindrical tank. Yes, just go through again. This is the pipe used that is connected to the canal. Yes, water is flowing through the pipe to fill this cylindrical tank. Yes, so the question is asking how much time will the tank will fill when the water is coming at a 3 km per hour. Yes, so I already told you that when we have find out for the 1 hour, when we for the 1 hour 3 km water is here in the pipe. Yes, so first of all we will find out the volume of the water for 1 hour in a pipe. So this is we have find out that because the pipe is of the cylindrical shape. Yes, we have find out, we have converted the radius into the meter and we have got 30 pi is the volume. Then we have find out to fill which vessel. It is a cylindrical tank. So again we have find out the volume of the cylindrical tank. That we now we have find out 30 pi in a 1 hour. So in a t time it will fill this volume, that is 55. So we have find out 5/3 hour. As I already explained you how we can convert this 5/3 hour into a minutes. It is quite clear. Yes, so 100 minute is the answer, or you can write also 5/3 hour. Yes, I hope it is very clear to you. Thank you, students.